very much important problem, and whatever you have learned today, that is based on that today's problem, that is of IIT. So let's see. Okay, so any function is there, if any function is there, f of x, if fx question, you can write it, important question, it comes in advance, 1 plus x, then 3 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2 9 plus x cube raised to power 1 by 3, then f dash of minus 1 is equal to, the options are as it A 0, B is 2 root 2, and C is 4, and D is 6. हाँ बेटा, the problem is for the IT only, if fx is equal to 1 plus x, fx is equal to 1 plus x into 3 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2, 9 plus x cube raised to power 1 by 3, then f dash at minus 1 is equal to
0.
0. Why 0? Wrong answer, it is f dash of minus 1. Wrong answer, you can try it. Now here is, we need to apply our brain, whatever it is, brain is there, we have. You can apply like 3 function is there, is multiplication. So you can apply the multiplication of 3 rules also, right? Understood? That is also one of the way. Okay. And other thing is that you can make this 2 function, make it in the form of 2 function, and you can proceed accordingly. One more thing is that if fx is there, please understand, if fx is like x cube, and you are required to ask at f dash of 1, what you will do? You will first differentiate, right? So what is the f dash x? 3x square, correct? And then you can going to put x is equal to 1 over here, right? Understanding or not? So it is nothing but 3 into 1 ka square is 3. Understanding? So you have to do is, what you have to do is like putting the value of x in the last, right? Correct? So are you getting any idea of that? So what we can do in that? So the thing is that we have to differentiate first, then you have to apply minus 1 over here, so that our result will be okay. Correct? Okay. So now applying over here, you can do is one thing, like I'm going to write it over here in the long way also, in the short way also, I will tell you how we can be proceeded. So f dash x we can write first, right? One thing is that f dash x we are writing. What is f dash x? F dash x is, the f dash x is just 1 plus x पहले लिख लिया है ना, पहले लिख लेना तो है ना, 3 plus x square 1 by 2 into 9 plus x cube raised to power 1 by 3 plus 1 plus x 3 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2 into 9 plus x cube raised to power 1 by 3, 1 plus x 3 plus x square power 1 by 2 into 9 plus x cube power 1 by 3. 3 times in first, here differentiation, in second, here differentiation, and third, here differentiation, right? It's okay. Now we are not going to do the actual differentiation here, just we have written the formula so that we can understand, okay? So what we are going to do is now, what we require, yes, tell me, what we require? F dash x, we got it, right? What we require is that value of -1. So please understand over here, leaving this, wherever differentiation is there, we are not going to put the -1, right? For example, the differentiation formula is there, so we have not differentiated till now, so we are not going to put the value in this. In other places, whatever the value x is there, you can put it for sure, right? So if you can removing this, you can put here the x value, something will come, right? If you can put here 0, and here we are not going to put, right? So this 0 will make this complete term 0, correct? Getting? Here also, here we are not going to put, right? But after putting over here x is equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to -1, as our demand is there, right? So what you can get here also? 0, correct? Whatever the things we're going to come, we are not interested in at all, because it is the JEE problems and answers are over here. Okay, so what we need to do is just put the value of x is equal to -1 over here. And what the differentiation of this is? 1 plus x. Huh? I can't hear you all. 1. So it is nothing but 1 into x की value क्या रखना है? -1 का square is 1, 3 plus 1, 4 raised to power 1 by 2 into 9 plus x cube, है ना? 9 plus -1 का cube is -1 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Now tell me, what is the answer? Huh? 4 raised to power 1 by 2. How much? Square root of 4. 2. 1 into 2. 9 minus 1, how much? It's 8, right? And 8 raised to power ka cube root. 8 ka cube root kitna? 2. How much is the answer? 4. So which option is correct? Need not to solve actually completely all the things, right? Who is working over here? Chain rule and every concept, whatever you have understood it. Already this question came in IIT, hai na? That's why. So what is one more shortcut way of approaching the same problem? Hai na? The intelligent guy can think like this. He will, whatever I showed you this through these examples, right? One more thing, I gave you this formula, hai na? But you have not studied in the board like these formulas are there, right? Please understand. In board, what you have to do? You have to take first and the other two, you have to as it is, then you have to differentiate as it is the both two, and then you can able to write it down. Not in this way. So the thing is that over here, what you have to think? Making 1 plus x as the one function, making 1 plus x as the one function and the other as a second function. fx isko मान लिया and this one as gx. Okay, understood? चीजें वही आने वाली है ना. The things are going to come the same. So you have understood the gx is this one, fx is this one. Why you have taken this one as? Because you know x is equal to -1. X is equal to -1 रखने पर कौन सा term 0 बन रहा है? Which is making it 0? So this one. So that's why we have separated this one and other two have taken together. Okay. So what you can write? First function differentiation and rest to as it is, right? And the second time what you will write? This two function ka differentiation and first function will be as it is, right? And then 1 plus x में value put करेंगे तो second वाला 0 बना देगा, and over here you know that this is the answer, right? So that is the other logic. In the same question, if you can see, if the question is saying x is equal to something like -2, we can say, or any other value, some changes will be there and they will changing the other values, then accordingly also you can put down the answers, right? Here 1 plus x is there, somewhere like 7 plus something may become, right? So as per that you have to choose. Okay, got it? So we are ending over here. So that's all for the today lectures. I hope you all have understood it. Okay, so thank you very much, and we are going to take the attendance. So just a minute, who are the online? I'm just going to take the screenshot of that. Okay, let me take the photos. So is there any doubt? You can ask me. Any one of you, if there is any doubt, you can ask. The class is ended. Those who have doubt, they can stay, other can leave also.